How to fix age restrictions on TikTok. Getting age restricted on TikTok and can't access certain features. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, open your TikTok app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines at the top and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down to find account and then choose personal information. Here, if you see your birth date is incorrect, you will need to request a change. TikTok does not let you edit the age yourself, so scroll to report a problem, then tap on account and profile and editing profile, then tap on other. Now tap need more help and write a clear message asking to update your birth date. Attach a photo ID to verify your age. TikTok will review your request within a few days. Don't have an ID? Try reaching out through TikTok's feedback form on their website with full details. How old were you when you joined TikTok? Let me know in the comments below. Now you are back in action with full access, no more unnecessary restrictions. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.